Hey guys, balik lagi ke segmen 25 frasa, kali ini episode 4. Kalau misalnya kalian suka trik-trik aku, jangan lupa follow Nailing gua, karena disitu aku juga posting tips and tricks Monday to Friday, secara singkat dan padat. Oke, kita mulai langsung aja ke videonya. Oke, frasa pertama adalah, do you see where I'm going with this? Nah, ini dipakai saat misalnya kamu lagi jelasin panjang lebar ke lawan bicara kamu, dan kamu tiba-tiba stop di tengah-tengah untuk nanya ke dia gitu. Lo ngerti kan maksud gue? Gitu. Wait, so you see where I'm going with this, right? Lo ngerti kan gue bakal ngomongin apa gitu.
Do you see where I'm going with this? Okay.
Do you really not know where I'm going with this?
Dua ada, let me get this straight. Nah, ini dipakai saat kamu lagi dalam conversation gitu. Misalnya kamu dikasih informasi secara nggak langsung, yang nggak begitu jelas. Terus kamu bilang, okay, let me get this straight, untuk bisa paham apa maksud dari dia gitu. Okay, so let me get this straight. Alright, so let me get this straight. You came home early from the party so that you can just chill at home and do nothing?
Let me get this straight. He got you to beg to sleep with him. He got you to say he never has to call you again. And he got you thinking this is a great idea?
Just so you know, asal lo tahu, ini dipakai saat kamu tuh ngasih informasi ke lawan bicara kamu yang sebenarnya nggak wajib kamu kasih gitu. Cuman kayak, asal lo tahu ya, ini gue lakuin buat lo. Just so you know, I'm doing this just for you. Kayak asal lo tahu ya, bokap nyokap gue tuh udah ngelakuin banyak buat lo. Just so you know, like, just so you know, my parents did so much to help you out.
Hey, just so you know, it's not that common. It doesn't happen to every guy, and it is a big deal.
Right. Okay, also, just so you know, I'm not gonna make a turkey this year.
What?
Well, I'm telling you, ini biasanya digunain untuk meng-highlight atau menekankan fakta yang akan dibilangin gitu. Misalnya, I'm telling you, the cup moved by itself. Gue beneran itu cangkirnya jalan sendiri gitu. I'm telling you, the guy was totally checking you out. Beneran deh, sumpah gue bilangin itu tadi cowoknya tuh lagi ngeliatin lo gitu.
I'm telling you, I think I broke it. Whoa!
I'm telling you, my English really improved after joining Naila. Beneran, bahasa Inggris gue tuh bener-bener meningkat habis ikut kelasnya Naila. Kalau misalnya kalian pengen tahu dan ikut online course aku, kalian bisa ke website ini dan kalian bisa lihat testimoni-testimoni orang-orang yang udah masuk kelas ini dan perkembangan mereka. Dan apa yang mereka katakan tentang online course ini. Does that make sense? Ini dipakai kayak, ini masuk akal kan? Ini mirip dengan frasa nomor 1 buat kayak apa ya? Buat make sure kalau kamu itu ngerti pointnya gitu. Ini sering banget dipakai profesor aku saat aku lagi kuliah di Amerika. Terus di akhir sebuah penjelasan dia bakal bilang ke studentsnya, does that make sense? Pada ngerti semua kan? Gitu.
Does that make sense?
No, it does.
Enough is enough. Diungkapkan tuh saat kamu udah capek, udah muak dengan suatu hal dan kamu pengen itu stop gitu. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. I've had it with your lies. Udah cukup deh, gue udah muak sama kebohongan lo semua gitu.
Enough is enough! I have had it with these motherfucking snakes on this motherfucking plane!
I was going for ini dipakai saat kamu tuh ingin penjelaskan apa yang kamu inginkan dalam, misalnya kebanyakan dalam bidang kayak art atau fashion atau parties dan lain-lain yang lagi di organize gitu. Jadi misalnya kayak I like the decoration but I was going for something more of a rustic feel. Kayak gue suka dekornya, cuman gue lebih pengen yang agak agak rusty gitu loh, yang agak rustic apalah gitu. Atau misalnya kamu lagi ke party terus kayak kostum party gitu, terus orang pada nggak ngerti kostum kamu apa, terus orang bakal bingung gitu, lo pakai apaan? Well, I was going for a 90s style. Gue pengennya sih 90s gitu.
And cut. What was that?
I was going for quiet desperation.
Okay, this isn't what I had in mind. Ini diungkapkan saat sesuatu yang terjadi itu kayak di luar gambaran kamu, di luar ekspektasi kamu. Okay, I know I said I wanted to work less, but getting fired is not exactly what I had in mind. Oke, gue emang bilang gue nggak mau kerja sebanyak itu, tapi dipecat itu di luar ekspektasi gue. Itu gambaran gue tuh bukan nggak kerja sama sekali gitu.
Someone comment on the pants.
I think they're very nice.
Yeah,
I really like them a lot.
Not what I had in mind. See?
Spare some change. kasih duit dong. Ini biasanya kalau misalnya dipakai sama orang homeless atau misalnya pengemis gitu, bilang spare some change. Change itu tuh kayak semacam kembalian gitu loh, kayak uang kecil. Kayak kasih uang kecil nggak gitu. Let's get this over with. Ini dipakai saat kamu tuh lagi harus jelasin suatu hal yang kamu tuh nggak pengen ngelakuin gitu. Udah selesain aja deh. Like, oh, I can't believe I have to spend the weekend at the office. You know what, let's just get this over with. Aduh, masa weekend-weekend gini di kantor sih. Aduh, udah deh selesain aja gitu.
Alright, I'm here. Let's get this over with. Okay.
I know, right? Kayak iya kan? Ini nih ungkapan kayak excited gitu, dimana kamu tuh setuju dengan pujian atau apa namanya komen seseorang yang positif gitu, atau komen seseorang positif atau negatif.
Wow, your house is really nice.
I know, right?
Seriously, are you serious? Serius loh, beneran. Kalau misalnya ini nih buat klarifikasi, kalau misalnya sesuatu yang kamu dengar itu serius, bukan bercandaan, kayak serius loh. Class is cancelled? Are you serious? Seriously, class is cancelled? Gitu. Serius, kelasnya di cancel? Serius, kelasnya nggak ada kelas hari ini? Gitu.
I can't seem to say goodbye.
Are you serious? Chandler, we ate an entire cheesecake 2 days ago and you want more?
What kind of noun? Kayak, what kind of person are you? What kind of restaurant is this? What kind of job do you do? Gitu. Kata benda macam apa itu? Misalnya di kayak, what kind of person worked at a library? Kayak, what kind of person wears only in underwear at the restaurant? Orang macam apa pakai kolor doang ke restoran? Atau enggak, what kind of boss tells their employees to work till 3 a.m. in the morning every day? Bos macam apaan tuh nyuruh orang kerja sampai jam 3 malam, 3 pagi?
But for yourself, what kind of leader do you want to be?
It's not that bad. Nggak sejelek itu kok, gitu. Ini dipakai untuk kayak cheer up seseorang gitu. Kalau misalnya bilang sesuatu itu tuh nggak sejelek yang lo pikirin. Kayak, come on, it's not that bad. Kayak, I hate the weather. Oh, come on, it's not that bad. I mean, it's not like it's rainy or anything. Itu nggak seburuk yang lo pikirin. Itu nggak, ini sebenarnya biasa aja kok, nggak apa-apa kok, gitu.
Eyesore from the Liberace house of crap.
Not that bad.
Oh, yeah, easy for you to say. You don't have to walk around.
Once you know the stories, it's not that bad.
Doesn't it bother you? Itu emang lo nggak keganggu apa? Ini kayak diungkapkan saat kamu tuh nanya ke seseorang kayak, lo kok bisa nggak keganggu sih? Gitu kayak, doesn't the music bother you? Doesn't he bother you? Doesn't my dad mengganggu lo apa? Lo nggak keganggu sama musiknya apa? Gitu.
Doesn't it bother you? You're a waitress.
Yes, it bothers me, Ross, but
I find it hard to believe. Itu kayak bilang ke seseorang kalau misalnya kamu itu mikir kalau suatu fakta itu tuh kayak susah untuk dipercaya gitu, kayak I find it hard to believe that she did not cheat during the exam because she always skips class. Gue nggak percaya kalau dia itu nggak nyontek saat ujian. Orang dia bolos mulu.
I'm sorry, I find it hard to believe that a group of people who spends as much time together as you guys do has never bumped uglies.
Put on weight, itu artinya gendutan. These guys don't say this to people because it's so rude. Tapi put on weight itu maksudnya gendutan. I've been putting on a lot of weight during the holiday. Aduh, gue gendutan banget nih saat liburan gitu.
cute naked guy's really starting to put on weight.
What kind of do you do? Ini jadi kayak semacam nanyain tipe kerjaan apa yang kamu lakukan. Misalnya kayak, you're a photographer. What kind of photography do you do? Oh, lo fotografer. Lo fotografi apa? Wedding atau fotografi event atau fotografi nature dan lain-lain. Atau you're a marketer. What kind of marketing do you do? Oh, lo marketing. Dalam bidang apa marketingnya gitu?
What kind of photography do you do?
Oh, mostly fashion.
Alright, so what do you think? Ini dipakai saat kamu nanyain opini seseorang. Alright, so yeah, that was my idea. What do you think? Untuk kan biasanya what you think. What you think. Itu lebih native.
So, what do you think?
I don't like it.
Are you seeing anybody? Itu nanyain kalau misalnya kamu itu lagi dekat seseorang ini, are you seeing anybody? Ini nih dipakai saat nanyain apa ya, hidup romantisnya seseorang, kayak lo lagi dekat sama siapa nggak sekarang gitu. Terus lo gimana? Lo lagi dekat sama seseorang nggak sekarang gitu. So how's it going with you? Are you seeing anybody lately gitu?
So how about you? Are you seeing anybody?
Oh, not right now.
It's just a coincidence. Ini cuma kebetulan doang kok. Like he and I just happened to be in the classroom at the same time. It was just a coincidence gitu. Gue sama dia ya cuman kebetulan lagi di kelas aja bareng gitu.
I think that's just a coincidence that all happened right after you prayed.
What are you going to do? Ini dipakai misalnya kayak ada seseorang ada masalah, terus kamu nanya apa langkah selanjutnya yang lo akan ambil gitu. Your boss actually caught you lying, so what are you gonna do? Jadi lo ketahuan bohong sama bos lo. Jadi lo bakal ngapain?
What are you gonna do? I guess I'm gonna have to come up with a really good reason why I wasn't there. The producer.
Keep this to yourself. Jangan bilang-bilang. Dikatakan ke seseorang kalau misalnya kamu itu mau dia jaga rahasia gitu. Alright, I'm gonna tell you a secret, but please keep this to yourself. Oke, gue bakal ngasih lo rahasia, tapi please dong jangan bilang-bilang. Lo liat temen lo diselingkuhin, lo gak bisa diem aja, lo harus bilang gitu. You saw your friend getting cheated on? You can't keep this to yourself, you have to tell her gitu.
You could do a much more effective job, and don't just keep this to yourself or to your friends, but...
Not this time, not this time. Ini di ungkapan di mana orang yang ditanya itu bilang kalau dia itu nggak pengen melakukan suatu hal lagi, mungkin karena kapok atau apa gitu. Hey, do you wanna eat sate again tonight? Nah, not this time. I have work to do. Lo mau makan sate lagi nggak? Lo pengen makan sate lagi nggak hari ini? Aduh, nggak deh. Gue harus kerja gitu.
So when you dumping her?
Nope. Not this time.
Oke guys, aku tahu di video ini cuma ada 24, tapi di 2 video sebelumnya kalau nggak salah aku bikin 26, so it's kind of even. Mudah-mudahan kalian suka dan belajar kata-kata baru. Kalau misalnya kalian suka, give it a like and subscribe dan juga share. And I will see you next week. Bye-bye.